Yun. Hello guys. So for today wala tayong bike ngayon. So pupunta ako ngayon sa Broadway para kunin yung bib ko. Kasi sumali ako sa Macau International Marathon. So bale sinalihan ko doon yung half marathon, which is almost 22 kilometer. So kung hindi ako nagkakamali, pang 8 na pagsali ko to sa Macau International Marathon. Tapos yung half marathon ko, pang 3rd ko to. Tara, samahan nyo ako, kunin natin yung bib ko doon. Let's go. Dito tayo sa bus guys, sakay tayo. Pero punuan So bali gaganapin pala yung Macau International Marathon guys sa Sunday. So December 1 yun. So sobrang daming participant nun. As in iba't ibang nationality na sumasali doon. Nagka number 1 doon yung mga Kenya. As in yung mga pambato nila dumadayo rito para sumali lang. Baka sa during race day i-video din yun para makita nyo kung ano yung kaganapan talaga during race. So dito na ako guys. So hanapin natin yung venue ng bigayan ng bib. Doon tayo tinuturo sa way na yun. Let's go. Dito na ako. Nasa taas lang pala. Sorry.
Card, the ID card.
What do you mean ID? Passport?
Yeah, passport.
So requirements lang guys, passport tsaka. Thank you.
Check the name. This one. Okay.
Thank you. So QR code lang tsaka yung passport. So kunin ko na yung bag and yung sando. Nakuha ko na. Sige.
不是，这得签上你的 B50585 B50585，写上你的姓，
Kuha isa ang tempo to nga.
签名
Okay.
，OK。
Okay lang. Shishe. So okay na guys, nakuha ko na yung kit ko. Let's go. So yun yung pinaka-course ng race, pinaka-map. Ang haba nyo guys. So dito magsisimula, babalik ng tatawid. Ang layo, pero kaya yan. Let's go! 43 International Marathon. So yun, nakuha na natin yung bib guys. So uwi na ako. Tapos magla-lunch muna, tapos rest. Kailangan natin mag-rest kasi mapapalaban tayo sa Sunday. Let's go! Masyal muna tayo rito sa Galaxy guys sa loob. Tapos lunch tayo. So ito yung lunch natin. Sizzling beef from Paper Lunch. Let's eat, guys. So tapos na ako nag-lunch, guys. Done. So bali gagawin ko ngayon, bubuksan dito na natin, bubuksan ko yung mga laman nito. Pinasaw ko na. So balik tayo. Bubuksan natin kung ano naman nito. Merong sando, medium size, mini, brochure about summer 2024 Macau International Marathon. Ano to? Q-phone. Hanggang bid natin, bid number B5085. I'm ready. Parang maliit siya. Medium size siya. So tapos na tayong mag-lunch, guys. Napakita ko na rin sa inyo anong laman ng bag, yung pinaka-kit. So ayun, kita-kit sa race day. Let's go. So good morning, guys. So for today, yun na yung araw ng race day. Samahan niyo ako, punta tayo sa venue. Let's go. So yun, guys, naglalakad na tayo papunta doon. So medyo malamig. Sana kayanin natin magsando. Pero hindi. May bound din naman akong t-shirt eh. So dito pa rin tayo, guys, naglalakad. Kung matatanong nyo, guys, bakit ako sumasali sa event ng ganito, gusto ko lang may... So nag-aantay na tayo ng bus ngayon. So bali, guys, itong Macau International Marathon, ito sa pinakamalaking event sa larangan ng marathon dito sa Macau. So hindi ko alam kung gaano kadami yung mga nag-participate dito. Basta sobrang dami. Papakita ko sa inyo yan mamaya. Let's go. So Clock room na natin yung mga gamit natin. So mamaya pagkukunin natin after ng race. Let's go. Dumadami na yung tao guys. 6 o'clock hanggang shot, 5:30 dapat naka-formation na. Let's go. Pag-in tayo saglit guys.
Ilang minutes pa? 5 minutes. 5 minutes more.
Under the moonlight, your eyes shine bright. In a world so busy, you make everything right. Rhythm of our hearts beating in sync. In this Afro groove, we flow what we think. Afro R&B flow, feel the night take flight. With every single move, everything. Under the moonlight, your eyes shine bright. In a world so busy, you make everything right. Rhythm of our hearts beating in sync. In this Afro groove, we flow what we think. Afro R&B flow, feel the night take flight. With every single move, everything. Feel the night take flight with every single move, everything. Yeah. Under the moonlight, your eyes shine bright. In a world so busy, you make everything right. Rhythm of our hearts beating in sync. In this Afro groove, we flow what we think. Afro R&B flow, feel the night take flight with every single move, everything. Shine bright in a world so busy, you make everything right. Rhythm of our hearts beating in sync. In this Afro groove, we flow what we think. Afro R&B flow, feel the night take flight with every single move, everything. Feel the night take flight with every single move, everything. Yeah. Under the moonlight, your eyes shine bright. In a world so busy, you make everything right. Rhythm of our hearts beating in sync. In this Afro groove, we flow what we think. Afro R&B flow, feel the night take flight with every single move, everything. Take flight with every single move, everything. Shine bright with every single move, everything right. Rhythm of
official guys. 1 hour and 57 seconds. 1 hour and 57 minutes. Thank you Lord. Thank you. Towel. Thank you. Đi đâu? Trung dạo à. Thank you. Exhausted. Thank you. Let's go. Banana. Congrats, bro. Let's go.
2024 half marathon. Pagod.
So ayun. Magabang na tayo ng bus guys. So lang ibang masabi hindi exhausted. Sagad. So ayun guys, nakababa na ako ng bus. Naglalakad na rin ako pauwi. So hindi ko baka ano yung nararamdaman ko ngayon. Mas exhausted daw ngayon compared with last year. Dahil nga nabit. By the way guys, nabit ko yung ano ko, yung oras ko last year. Last year 2 hours and 4 minutes ako. Ngayon 1 hour and 57 minutes. So nabit natin. So ayun. Thank you sa pagsama sa race ko na to. Ciao.